Portland, Oregon.
Giving color commentary
is Satan's favorite
professional wrestling
podcast.
What do we want to talk about?
Welcome to Getting Color Commentary. I am BT, and this man over here is the six-string samurai, Derrick. Oh, yeah. He's a beautiful singular.
There you go. Yeah. This week, the BT's taken.
I like sausage more.
Really?
Yeah.
Get out.
Sausage is better. Links or patties, it's better. We've got a new announcement for
2026
inductions.
Yeah.
Demolition, Axe and Smash
Congratulations.
were
And else. It's dope year.
and Stephanie McMahon
Sure.
as well.
Boobs, big boobs.
Yeah. I think I think they definitely deserve it.
Yeah.
Like I'm very surprised that these two men are not already in the Hall of Fame.
Right. I think we said that when.
Uh-huh. Yeah, right. Right. Yeah. I can't wait to hear their
Watch where at what point in the speeches.
yeah.
Yeah.
Their long drawn out speech.
And to just see aged wrestler. A weird experience too.
Yeah.
Give it your
I don't have I can't remember how many they usually do. Like there's usually like 4 or 5 like big names, and then there's like a group of people who get like they're inducted.
You get the shotgun blast at the end.
Yeah.
And also Tanaka.
And then they bring them out on stage, they stand there and they're like, "Hi."
Try to stand up.
Yeah. He stood a little bit. Luger's doing great things. But yeah, congratulations to Demolition.
Yeah.
Long time coming.
Yeah.
Deserved it. You can find us at Getting Color Commentary on Instagram, Getting Color Commentary on YouTube, Getting Color Commentary on all your favorite podcast listening platforms.
Podcast listening platform.
One of my ears doesn't work. It's hard for me to hear.
And I'm making fun of you. From your friends.
You can also find our merch at Getting Color Commentary on Amazon. Yeah, I'm not wearing anything either, but you know.
So I have it.
Yeah, I got plenty of stuff. Yeah. Find our stuff. Let us know what you think. And
shout out Ty Champa.
Yeah, Ty Champa.
Trevor Guitars, Liquid Death, Lord, Jägermeister, Dead Stuff.
Yeah. Count my fucks. Yeah.